Wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha Lachey. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. And if you haven't already, go ahead and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss a time when I post. So in today's video, we'll be talking about skincare, and today I will be showing you guys how I made a DIY skin mask using avocado, honey, lemon juice, and plain yogurt. And you will see all the ingredients that I use in the video, and you'll also see some nighttime things that I use for my night routine. This can also be done during the daytime, however I did it at night. So stay tuned and let's get started in the video. So here you guys will see that I'm using one ripe avocado, and I'm going to be using the whole avocado. Here's my lemon juice that I will be using, and I'll show you guys how much. Here we have our plain yogurt, doesn't have to be light yogurt, and here we have our honey. And here you can see that my avocado is really ripe, and I'm going to start mixing everything in my magic bullet cup here. So you'll see that I cut my avocado in half, and I will be using the whole avocado. So we want to squeeze everything out into this cup, and I'm trying to get all of my avocado because yeah, I just want to use the whole thing. So I'm putting it all into the cup. Here you will see me using the lemon juice to put into the mix. So I'm pouring in my lemon juice, and then we're going to go ahead and put the honey into the mix. And again, you can see how much I'm using for each ingredient. And it's also optional for you to use rolled oats, but I didn't want to, I opted not to use the oats. But yeah, it's optional. So here I'm just making sure that I get all of my honey out of the measuring cup, and then we're going to go ahead and pour in the plain yogurt. Going to go ahead and get that into the mix. Then I'm putting my top on, as you can see here, and we're going to go ahead and get it into the magic bullet. Want to get it mixed up really well. The consistency depends on if you want yours really thick or really thin. I prefer in the middle, because if you get it too thin, it's not going to really stick to your face, and you just don't want it too thick. But again, it's preference. I got mine right about in the middle, so I'll show you guys the consistency here. And again, I think mine was in between thick and thin, so I really like the consistency. So yeah, here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and pour my mixture into this bowl here. And actually this made quite a bit. I wouldn't recommend using this the next day, or maybe you can, I'm not sure. But maybe if you had like a daughter or a significant other, or just anybody that want to use it, I definitely had enough to where I was able to share it. So here you will see me wash my face first. You always want to cleanse your skin before you apply the mask. So I'm using a cleanser to clean my face. And here you can use whatever your preference is to clean your skin. Kind of want to go ahead and get your skin ready before you apply your mask. You want your skin to be clean. So I'm applying the cleanser to my face. And I love this little gadget here. I actually bought it from Amazon. If you would like the link, leave me a comment and I will send you the Amazon link. It actually has where you can charge the battery, but my battery wasn't charged, so I just had to use it this way. So yeah, just getting my skin clean here. And face is all clean, and we are actually ready to apply the mask, and it smells really good. So I'm just going to apply the mask, and I'm actually using one of my makeup brushes here to apply the mask. And I used a very good amount, and like I said, there was a good bit left over if someone else wanted to use this mask. So I'm just getting it applied here. And it is actually recommended to use a mask 1 to 2 times per week. I typically don't use it more than once a week, and that's only because I honestly just really don't have the time, but it's usually generally recommended that you use this, as a self-care or just part of your skincare routine once to twice a week. So once I finish applying this mask, it's going to take, I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. So once I get everything applied, I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. And so once I got everything rinsed off really good, I rinsed it in lukewarm water to remove the mask. And you want to avoid scrubbing or using any kind of harsh towels here, so I pat my face dry. And then here you will see where I applied the toner of choice. I always opt for a alcohol-free toner. Again, it's preference, but I prefer alcohol-free for best results. So I'm just applying my toner, basically getting my face or my skin ready to apply serum. And my serum, I just want to add, has hyaluronic acid in the serum, and I really like that for my skin. So here's the serum that I'll be using. And it's good to apply your serum when your face is clean because it absorbs the products better. And you don't want to rub your serum in, you kind of want to pat it into your skin, as you see me doing here in the video. And then once I apply my serum, I go ahead and moisturize my skin because I want to lock in the hydration by applying my moisturizer. Even though I'm going to sleep, I still like to apply my moisturizer. And I love this moisturizer because it leaves my face really soft and it feels very hydrated. And if I were doing this mask in the daytime, I would put on a sunscreen. But because I'm doing it at nighttime, I don't have to worry about, any sunscreen. And as you can see here, my skin is really glowy and is really, really hydrated. And honestly speaking, the mask made my skin really, really, really soft. I would definitely use that mask again. Here you see me using the Kiehl's under eye treatment. It helps with puffiness, dark circles, all of that good stuff. And here you don't want to rub it in. You kind of want to pat the product in as such, the way that you see me doing it here. Just kind of patting it into my skin. Only takes a small amount, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, under my eyes. We want to keep our under eye looking healthy, and we don't want to wake up looking tired. Although some mornings, I'm not gonna lie, even if I get sleep, I'm still looking tired. But whatever I can do to help help my skin, I'm all for skincare tips, skincare products. So yeah, all done here. I'm loving my results. If you can see, my skin looks really shiny and hydrated. Put on some lip repair, the Aquaphor. I really love it. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box and I'll get back with you. Bye.